Hello everyone. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Office activation error. I'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue completely. So, let's get started. First, I will open Microsoft Word to show you the activation error. To resolve this issue, follow these steps. First, open This PC and navigate to your C drive. Here, you will find two folders, Program Files and Program Files, x86. If your Office supports a 64-bit system, go to the Program Files folder. But if your Office supports a 32-bit system, choose the Program Files, x86 folder. Go to Program Files, x86, and find the Microsoft Office folder. Open the folder labeled Office 16. Inside, you will find a file named OSP-Preem. You need to right-click on this file and select Run as Administrator. Do this 3 times in a row. Once done, refresh your window. Now, open Microsoft Word and you should see that the activation error is gone. After following these steps, your Microsoft Office should be activated and the error message will no longer appear. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.